brush right on the side. My jar is almost gone, so it's about time to get a free crystal trifecta. I'm gonna do this one first. The flower fish, it will be this next one. So I am go ahead and apply the condensed glue gels right on the nails. So now if you know exactly where you are going to apply your crystal, you can apply this right there. And then sometime if you want to add some crystal on the spot that you are going to do, then I would suggest you apply the whole entire nails. Do it nice and good layer, not too thick, not too thin. Too thick is going to flood your crystal, and too thin is going to not adhere your crystal properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and using is no wipe top coat. Amanda Lupita, hello from Facebook. Thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Friday. Thanks so much, Instagram fam, Facebook fam, TikTok fam, Twitch fam, YouTube fam. You are so amazing, and thank you. And hope each tutorials will bring you some inspiration. Doing that because it's dusty. It's just really heavy and it's flew off for me. For no. Is it like, hey, I don't want to be here. You're going to be here. Looks cute though. I love this centerpiece. Just remind me so much of like a flower. So I'm putting it there. And then I already feel, it's like, I love that how a centerpiece is. It does all the work for you already. So like it had the frame, it have a crystal, and it have all the details that like you don't have to do a bit. You don't have to do anything else. If your clients just want a simple and then just something that is centerpiece will last, this will be good to go. But if your clients just want to more like into it in dramatics, you can add some more on, like adding the crystal and a different color of the crystal on. I'm gonna dress it up just a little bit. I say just a little bit. Two of the same side. Okay. I'm gonna add some beads on. Can I get the jars with the gold beads? Thank you. I'm gonna add some just enough around the centerpiece. And then I'm gonna using some gold beads. And add it between the crystals. Best thing about condensed glue gel and no web top coat is adjusting really nicely. You can adjust it until you're happy with this. It's not clear. Can you just stop doing his thing? All right, it looks so good. I can keep on and on and on about it. And add more beads. You can also get, you know, like a gold film in there if you would like to. Good. I think I'm good. All right. Here for 60 seconds.